Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. So I'm keeping with tradition and I'm bringing you the 2021 Blockbuster set by Estée Lauder. So we have the beauty box right here. This is the 2021 Blockbuster set and this is valued at $550. So with any purchase of $45, y'all can purchase the Blockbuster set, the beauty box, for only $75. So it is like a purchase with purchase, just like the one I did previously. I'm really excited to show you guys the products because we have a lot of goodies to go through. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what is in the box this year. Okay, so this is the 2021 beauty box. It looks like that, very nice. I will show you guys the one I got last year and it was pretty similar, except a little more velvety, if you will. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looked like. As you can see, I've really used this one, but it is so pretty. The finish on this one is different from that one. It also looks a little bigger. As usual, you get the info card. This beauty box includes 9 full-size favorites and it also includes 3 deluxe travel sizes as well. So as I always do, I will go through each product, tell you a little bit of information about it, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So this year the box has an amazing value of $550. I think it was about the same last year. So you do get amazing products for a really affordable price. So in case you guys are wondering if I still have products from last year, I still do, because besides the Estée Lauder box, I do get the Lancome boxes. Any type of sale they have going on, I tend to go for those. I can actually stock up on my most used products. So yes, I still have some from last year and this will probably be in here for a while. This is the first one from the box and this is the Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. So this one is a full-size product and this is a 3.4 fluid ounce. It is pretty good because it is made for all skin types. The next product here is the Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. This one is good for volumizing. I do not care for it too much. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give it away like I always do. It's just not my favorite, but some people really love it and really enjoy it. I use it if it's like I've run out of my faves, you know? But it's not a bad mascara, it's just not my favorite. The product I am most excited about is this one right here. This is the Advanced Night Repair. This is like one of the top sellers, I believe, and it is really, really good. This one is also for all skin types. So this is very popular and very expensive. So every year it comes in the box. I am more than happy to have it. This one promises to fight the different signs of aging. Over time, you will see results with this one, and I truly believe that it is very effective and I really like it a lot. So next we have the perfect companion for the serum. We have the Advanced Night Repair Eye. So this one is good for brightening dark circles, kind of reducing puffiness underneath the eye. So if in case you have dry skin, it also gives you more hydration underneath the eye. That way your makeup application can be flawless. Next product on the list is the Revitalizing Supreme Plus. This is a moisturizer and it's really good for anti-aging. For the moisturizer, you had an option between the Revitalizing Supreme Plus or the Resilience Multi-Effect Cream. I chose this one because I just prefer it. And but you get the same size, so it's just all about personal choice. I prefer this one. All these products promise to kind of make the skin look much more youthful, much younger, and hydrated, moisturized, and all the things. You would go in with the serum and then you would finish off with the moisturizer just to kind of like combat the dullness and give the skin more radiance. So every year you get lipsticks. I do enjoy the design. It's very similar to the case that this all comes in, and we have 2 shades. I always like the nude shade, so hopefully we have a nude shade. This one is Tiger Eye. It has a little bit of glitter in it, but it's nude, so it's very pretty. I do like that one. And then we have a bright red, and this one is Excite. These are not matte, these are cream finishes, I'm pretty sure. So the reason I like their lipsticks is because they're very gentle on the lips. They're not over drying. They're very hydrating, if you will. There's a lot of pigment to each lipstick, which I enjoy. Every year the beauty boxes will contain 2 palettes. We have the Candy Glam and we also have the Candy Glow. So when it comes to the eyeshadow palettes, I do not expect much, to be honest. I am always very much disappointed because I do not think that they are black girl friendly. and this one is no different. I pretty much give them away. I'm just not here for it. The palettes are always disappointing, I feel like, every single year. This one is the Candy Glam, not much different. So, I mean, neither here nor there. I think I'll include this in a Christmas giveaway or something to that effect, maybe Valentine's giveaway. I haven't quite decided, but I'm not keeping these. These were the 9 favorites in the box. And then they also include 3 deluxe sizes. We get a mini of the moisturizer. We get a mini of the eye cream as well as the serum. So that is always cool to have. So this is an overview of the 2021 beauty box. Again, the skincare does it for me. I feel like the upper row is all I really care about, to be honest. The eye makeup remover is pretty good, not as great as my tried and true one by Lancome, but I do enjoy it. And I will probably be including the lower portion in a giveaway. Out of the 12 products in there, including the deluxe sizes, I would say that I like 7 out of the 12 products included in here. To me, that is pretty much a win, just because the serum alone is $105 or more. And definitely worth the purchase. The only gripe I have about this beauty box is just the eyeshadow palettes never ever hit the mark. Overall, a great value and a beautiful box. This could be a gift to yourself. It could be a Christmas gift to someone. You can stock up on your favorite products. The possibilities are quite endless. So there you have it. Let me know what you guys think about the beauty box in the comment section down below. I personally think it's a great value, like I mentioned, and there are lots of products that I do like and enjoy. So share your thoughts below. Will you be getting one of these? Do you prefer the Lancome or do you prefer the Estée Lauder? Which of the Blockbuster sets is your favorite? Let a girl know down below. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.